Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 1, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2pm result ngayong September 1, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2pm. 3D Lotto, 2pm result ngayong Friday, September 1, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 1, 2023 Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, September 1, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of September 1, 2023 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.